If you need to cancel your Google Meet subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Sign into Google Admin Console. Go to Admin, Google.com and sign in with your administrator account. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage subscriptions. Step 2. Navigate to Billing. Once logged in, find the Billing section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to view all your current subscriptions. Step 3. Select your Google Meet subscription. In the Billing section, locate your Google Meet subscription from the list of active services. Click on it to access the subscription details. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Look for the option to cancel the subscription. This may be labeled as Cancel Subscription or End Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, check your email for a confirmation message from Google. This will ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Google Meet subscription. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Google Support for assistance.